Hi friends! Wow, look at this beautiful tropical island. It's so bright and colourful. Polly Glotty and her friends are going to learn new vocabulary words. Can you help them? They need your help learning new words. Let's learn some English vocabulary words about farm animals on the island today. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's start by looking around the farm. What animals do you see? Let's meet them and learn their names. Let's meet our first farm animal. This animal has 4 legs and a long tail. What is it called? It's a horse. Can you say horse? Great job! Who else lives on the farm? Here's an animal with black and white colors. It's a cow. Can you say cow? What's that animal over there with feathers? It's a chicken. Can you flap your arms like a chicken? And look at that cute animal with a little tail. That's a pig. Can you say pig? Oh, and here's a friendly little animal, a cat. Can you say cat? Thank you for helping our friends learn new words. Where do you want to go with Polly Glotty next?